Good morning. I'm Sister Vicki, and welcome to another episode of our show. I'd love to tell you the title of the show as I usually do, but right now we're in between. Both None Better and None Like It are currently in use. So, in this copyright conundrum, I'm inviting your help. If you can think of a name for our show, please email it to me at vocations@osbva.org. And you can find that email address on the YouTube channel, or you can find it on our blog site, Monastics on a Journey. So I'd be grateful if you'd send in some ideas, and we'll let the sisters at the monastery decide the final outcome. For now, I welcome you back, and I'm happy to prepare a marinated London broil. This was a request from those of you who watch. Several weeks ago I put a poll on the site, and marinated London broil was right there neck and neck with grilled vegetable lasagna. So because it's summertime and food that's light and easy feels like the right thing to do, our supper tonight at the convent will be a marinated London broil. Much has gone on in recent weeks, and I'll tell you more about it as we get into this recipe. But because marinated London broil needs some time, we're starting early. The sisters and I have just finished morning prayer, and I'm heading out to Sunday Mass as soon as we get this puppy in a Ziploc. So without further ado, let's get to the recipe.